Yeah, hi, hello, welcome to the Trailhead Badger Solutions YouTube channel. If you are ready to subscribe my channel, please do subscribe. Your one subscription is a lot to me. In this video, we are going to complete the challenge of learn when to use the special price field. So in this, the main objective is so identify which price fields and non-pricing fields are safe to target with the price rules, and we can create price rules that do not perform recursive calculations. Construct a rule that targets the special price field. So we are having two types of pricing target. So those are we are covered in pricing method of Salesforce CPQ and discounting tools in Salesforce CPQ and the subscription pricing in Salesforce CPQ. So to keep track of how sales CPQ arrives at a final price for the customer, it uses a bunch of intermediately fields to represent specific adjustment. For example, regular price represents adjustments based on discount schedules and is prorated if the quote line is subscription. As a reminder, here are those fields. So original price, list price, special price, regular price, customer price, partner price, net price. So far we have only made price rules that targets list price. It may surprise you to learn this, but we recommend that we need to target only one other price field, special price. We should leave original price alone so that it can act as reference point to compare against other prices. So to avoid recursive calculation, list price is often the best price field to target when using price rules. But there are exceptions. The most common exception is when a price rule needed to use list price in the source of its price action. It's really bad idea to use the same price field in both source and target of a rule. Doing so is likely to cause a recursive calculation. For example, imagine that we have a price rule that target list price but also have a source formula that contains list price multiplication O.9. If the list price starts 100, clicking calculate once process, it's 100.9, making it list price as 90. As for it's looking good. Clicking calculate again processes $90 multiplication 0.9, making 81. So here we have clicking third time on process, it will calculate making list price 72. So really this is a bad. The value of list price depends on how many times you click calculate, and that should never happen. So to recap, either target list price or use list price as a source, but not both. This goes for any field we plan to use a price rule. The most special of prices. There is at least one scenario when you have to use list price as a source in a pricing adjustment. So we can learn pricing methods in Salesforce CPQ badges. List price sometimes represents the price of bundle option. So in other words, when a product is sold in a bundle, it gets a different price than when it's when it's sold on its own. This encourages bundle sales, and these are the steps we need to follow to create the price rules in Salesforce CPQ. And this is how we can add price conditions on the pricing rule. And also we can create price actions based on our requirement on the pricing rule. So this is also pricing action, and after that we can add that bundle to the product or bundle to that quote line, and we'll verify that. Yeah, to complete this challenge we have a fetch session. Let's go and check. So what issue might occur if you see the same field for the target and source of a price action? The field value will never change. The field value might change with every calculation. The quote line editor will cross. It's not possible to set a field as both target and source. So as we discussed, the right option is B. So when we click on this, you can assume this is that we are checking it. So every time when we are click on that calculation, it is taking that list price is 81, and based on this it again calculating based on that formula, it is again calculating, updating that list price. And the which other fields must you also target if you want to target special price? List price, non-discountable, special price type, pricing method. The right answer is special price type. Let's check the challenge. Yeah, we have successfully completed this challenge. So thanks for watching. We'll meet you in another video.